In the fast-paced world of business tech, new is everywhere. Every day, there's a flashy new trend or a buzzword promising the world. But at Mission Informatics, we believe in something much more powerful, the proven. For over 30 years, we haven't just been building software, we've been building a legacy of excellence alongside manufacturers, traders, and global enterprises. This isn't a theory, it's 3 decades of real-world results refined into one powerful solution, Quarto ERP. While other vendors focus on the number of users, we focus on the ambition of your brand. We start with a vision of peak performance. How far can your business actually go? Before a single line of code is implemented, we partner with you to find every opportunity for speed, every chance for clarity, and every path to peak efficiency. This is about more than just software, it's about architecting a system that fits your operation perfectly. Quarto ERP is more than a tool, it's your business infrastructure. It was born on factory floors and in complex supply chains, designed to thrive in the real world. And now, we've taken that solid foundation into the future. We've integrated advanced AI directly into our core architecture to help you predict trends, automate complex tasks, and make faster, smarter decisions than ever before. Whether you're dealing with hybrid setups that keep you running offline or scaling across multi-country operations, Quarto handles the complexity with absolute ease. Imagine a business in perfect harmony. Manufacturing tracked from raw materials to the final sale with pinpoint precision. Inventory and accounting fully synced, so your team always has the answers they need in real time. This is about needing fewer tools because your one core system quietly takes care of everything. And with the Quarto mobile app, your entire operation is in your pocket, giving you the freedom to lead from anywhere with live reports and instant approvals. Your ERP is the engine of your evolution. When that foundation is solid, growth stops feeling chaotic, it feels inevitable. We've navigated every tech shift from dial-up to AI, and we're here to ensure your business stays ahead of the curve. If you're ready for a system that's as ambitious as your vision, it's time to build on a foundation that's been pressure-tested for decades. Don't just settle for software, choose the architect of your future. Let's build your legacy together. Quarto ERP by Mission Informatics.